Right, so here is a little video of how we progress from damp-proof course. So this is where we're up to at the minute. We've got our inner leaf built pretty much up to 2.1, which is glazing height. So that'd be lintel height, so that's top of windows, top of doors, etc. We're more or less there. And then we have to dress externally, put in the PIR insulation on this job, a 90mm tongue and groove foil taped as well. Sorry mate, me in your way. And then that just gets dressed up on the internal leaf, clipped through the ties, holding it in position, and then our cavity tray down at the bottom in place on the inner leaf. That brings us through onto the damp-proof course with our weeps at every 4 or 5 brick. And then we've got our air brick extension as well that was put in at below oversight level, which runs through to the existing undercroft space. So that's vent in the timber floor up through what will be a telescopic vent into an air brick. The only difference on this one in terms of finished facing brick is the actual brick that we've gone for, that we've opted to match in, which to be fair is a pretty good match. It's a sort of brown, rustic, weathered drag wire, quite rough textured, but it does blend in quite nice. Problem with these brick is they have a durability of F1 rating and not F2, which means their frost level isn't good enough to go below ground at DPC. So unfortunately we do have to use Class B engineering brick below ground and up to DPC level to get us out, because they do have a F2 durability rating, which means they are rated for and suitable for below ground. But then from there we would then come up in our rustic weathered facing brick all the way up and tie in to the existing. So it's tubed on the left, profiled on the corners as well, so we're running on profiles on this one. So that'll be our next little video. We can show how we run to profiles, and then to tie into the existing house, which is just a perpendicular joint anyway. There's no toothing going on, but we do have a sort of timber staff which allows us to line up and still run to a line to our profiles. So yeah, we're cooking on gas. See you in a bit.